This week, the red lines got closer. NATO airspace lit up, a U.S. political figure was assassinated at a campus event, and a cyberattack stalled a major automaker's factories. Let's break it down. First up, we have NATO airspace incursions and AMP border alerts. On September 13th, Poland scrambled fighters, raised air defense and ISR, and temporarily shut down Lublin airport during a preventive operation as Russian drones approached the border. Hours later, Romania launched F-16s after a drone breached Romanian airspace near Tulcea before dropping off radar. That followed September 10th, when Poland shot down suspected Russian drones, the first known instance of a NATO member firing inside its own airspace during this war. Why this matters? Spillover from Russia's strike packages isn't episodic anymore, it's continuous. Expect more short-notice airport restrictions, air defense NOTAMs, and rapid ground stops at border-adjacent hubs. Civil aviation deconfliction is now a standing requirement. Bottom line for operators, keep persistent ADSR tasking along the border. Pre-planned debris recovery and cross-border incident SOPs. Strategically, this is another test of NATO rules of engagement and escalation thresholds. Communications discipline matters. Infrastructurally, plan for airport closures, route diversions, and knock-on effects along the Danube corridor that will touch ports and cargo flows. Next, assassination of Charlie Kirk. Conservative thought-provoker and debater, Charlie Kirk was fatally shot at Utah Valley University. The shooter fired from a rooftop into a crowd of roughly 3,000. Investigators recovered a bolt-action rifle. Images circulated quickly. After a 33-hour manhunt, a 22-year-old suspect was taken into custody in Orem, Utah. Why this matters? The threat profile for campus venues, political rallies, and touring speakers has intensified, especially at open-air or multi-elevation sites. Expect copycat risk and rapid online mobilization around high-salience events. Operational takeaways. Enforce roofline and overwatch control, establish line-of-sight screens, and tighten timing windows for VIP movement. Increase counter-sniper coverage, and add backstage ballistic protection where feasible. In the cyber and information space, be ready for doxing, swatting, and direct threats. Stand up templated open-source monitoring and takedown workflows for the entire tour cycle. Lastly, Jaguar Land Rover cyberattack disrupts production. In disclosures between September 2nd and 10th, Jaguar Land Rover confirmed a cyber incident affecting corporate systems and acknowledged that some data was accessed. The fallout: production halts and dealer and supplier disruption across multiple UK plants. Thousands of workers told to stay home while systems were isolated. English-speaking threat actors linked to groups like Scattered Spider, Lapse Installers, or Shiny Hunters have claimed responsibility. Why this matters? Even when core OT isn't fully compromised, IT outages across ERP and supplier portals can still stop the line, from parts flow to warranty and retail. Expect extortion pressure and supplier credential replay attempts. Some reporting warns the disruption could extend into October. Action points: segment vendor access, enforce phishing-resistant MFA, monitor and record privilege sessions, and be ready with rapid supplier kill switch playbooks. Strategically, pre-arrange business continuity plans for just-in-time environments and align regulatory notifications, including the UK ICO and cross-border requirements. From a detection standpoint, actively hunt for SSO phishing and SIM swap patterns consistent with Scattered Spider tradecraft. Watch for EDP anomalies and MFA reset abuse. 3 vectors, 1 message: border escalation, domestic political violence, and cyber supply chain fragility are converging into a higher tempo risk environment. Are you tracking this or reacting to it? Like, share, and subscribe for more frontline risk intelligence.